and welcome back to Kidsfactsbymaanvika. Today I'm doing some really crazy but super simple and super fun science experiments that you can do at your house. Let's get our glasses on and to the lab! So our first science experiment is called self-inflating balloon. The things we are going to need are a measuring cup, a funnel, vinegar, baking soda, an empty water bottle, and a white vinegar in my bottle. Now we're done putting our baking soda on, and I'm gonna put in the balloon. The science behind this is when you put the baking soda with the vinegar, it makes a gas called carbon dioxide that makes your balloon inflate. So second science experiment is called calm down jars. What we're going to need for this is cup, 2 food coloring, jar, water, baby oil. So what we're going to do is first we're going to add half water, 2 to 3 drops food coloring. Cup baby oil. I'm going to take the green oil based food coloring and then I'm going to mix it. Now I've mixed it and I'm going to pour it in my red jar. Now I'm going to add my pink. It's because the baby oil is not as dense as the water. And let's shake it. When you shake it, and let's take the blue one. See how cool they are? When you shake them both, they don't mix. The next experiment is called colorful rain. We're going to add 2 to 3 drops of food coloring into our oil. Now we're going to mix it. Now we're going to add it into our water. And then watch what it does. Our food coloring will slowly fall down like rain. This science experiment is called No Mess Volcano Eruption. What you're going to need are water. If you're doing it outside, it's okay. But if you're inside, you're going to need a container so it won't get messy. Baking soda, vinegar, and washable paints. First, we're going to add a couple of teaspoons of baking soda. Now I'm done mixing. Now I'm going to add my washable paints. Now I'm done. Now I'm going to add my vinegar so I can see it explode. Yahoo! Look at that. lot of colors and make a rainbow volcano. This science experiment is called Magic Milk. What you're gonna need is Q-tips, dish soap, liquid food coloring, and milk. I have my Q-tips in this soap and then add it on my thing. See the reaction, the magic is going on. Have you ever wondered if your creations could come to life? Well, this experiment will help you. It's called Drawing Come to Life. What we're gonna need is dry erase or a whiteboard marker, cold water, and a plate. You can draw anything you want. I'm gonna draw some hearts. And now I'm gonna let this set for 1 minute so that I can have my cold water so everything can start floating. And look at that, it came right onto my hand. The next experiment is rising water. What you need is colorful water. You can use plain water or any color. Matchsticks, when you use these, please have help by parent. A candle, a glass, and a plate. Let's get started. First, we're gonna add our colorful water. See that the water is starting to come in. This happens because the heat that the candle makes pressure, so the water slowly starts to rise inside the glass. This experiment is called pepper scatter. What you're gonna need is a Q-tip, pepper, dish soap, a plate, and water. You add a pinch of black pepper, and then you take a Q-tip, you put the dish soap on it, and then put in the middle. And the pepper scatters away from the soap because of surface tension. Thank you for watching my video till the end. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I'll be back very soon with more videos, so stay tuned. Thank you. Bye-bye.